Is your car breaking out into that reddish, yellow-brown, flaky coating? Is your iron cast golf club starting to look not so iron cast? And does your iron or steel barbed wire fence look shabby and unkept? Then you have a bad case of rust. Rust is a reddish or yellow-brown flaky coating of iron oxide formed by iron or steel by oxidation. Rust is a very common chemical reaction known as iron-3 oxide. It starts when iron molecules oxidize into iron oxide. It is an example of corrosion. Corrosion is a process in which a solid, usually a metal, is eaten away and changed by chemical action. The oxidation of iron in the presence of water is an electrochemical process in which involves an anode, an electrolyte, and a cathode. When iron corrodes, the electrolyte provides the anode with oxygen. As the oxygen combines with the metal, the electrons are set free. As they flow through the electrolyte to the cathode, and the metal of the anode disappears. This causes it to be swept away by the electrical flow and therefore converting it into rust. The iron must be exposed to water and moisture for a long period of time. This will allow the formation of rust to occur. For example, the chance of a car that is kept outside in rainy weather forming rust is far more likely than one that is kept in the garage.
I should have parked in the garage. Due to rust, the government has had to spend millions of dollars on items that have been corroded. This may include railways, bridges,
machinery.
Rust forces society to replace machines, fences, etc. with new ones, keeping everything up to date.
Rust helps the economy by allowing companies to make rust prevention products, which is then, in return, spent within the community. Some of these products include Bloxite, Oxysolve, and CLR. So remember, I like rust in the economy, but not in my car.